I had to replace this on my Kenmore rotary. All I had to do to change it, there's a screw there, a screw there, and a screw there. You take them 3 out, put the other one back in. This is your bobbin plate. To put it in, you just slide it like that, and it snaps down. To take it out, you lift it up, and it comes right out. Alright, on these, you gotta lift this little lever up in order to get the bobbin casing out. When you do that, you grab it, one on the top, one on the bottom. These are your rotary bobbins. They're made a little bit different, but these fit in all the rotary machines. I'm going to slide my thread through here, and it's going to come out there. I put my bobbin in there. You're going to take your thread. It just pops in there. I don't know if you heard that or not, but that puts your bobbin in your bobbin casing. But you got to line up your little notch with your little hole there, okay? And then you have to pull that lever back up to get it back in like that. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'll see you next video.